So I just picked up and ordered a Radiolink R7FG 7-channel receiver for my RG6GS series remote control. This is actually going to go in my Kyosho. So very good service, very fast from Amazon. I got this the next day. So with Amazon Prime, they have it in Canada, which is great. So this is the Canadian price for it. What's really neat with this, it does have the gyro integrated into it. It does have the sensor for the voltage, and actually it actually comes into the package. So you actually get the package like this, and I'll show you quickly what comes in the package. So here's how you get the package from Amazon. It comes in a small bag like that, Radiolink, part number, and it's all sealed up. So let's take it out. Sorry for the noise. So you do get the adapter for the telemetry for the voltage of the battery. It is a TEN-SCTE connector to go on your battery. If you don't have it, you can always disconnect them and reuse all the wires to connect your own connector onto it. And here's the receiver. You get the 2 antenna. This one is a long range, and you do have the input for the telemetry. And what's nice with these receiver is they do go up to 10 volts. So if you have a BEC or a ESC that will permit you to correct the voltage for higher servo, you can give it more voltage. So that's what's in the bag. So this receiver is actually compatible with a lot of their radios, which is very good. And that's about the size of the unit itself. So very good service and very good from Radiolink from Amazon.ca. Well guys, thanks a lot for watching, and watch for the install video with this, especially with the gyro integrated into my Kyosho Rampage Pro. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks guys. Please comment and give a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.